but at the same time, when you jump into the end, you told that he was like, he found out, oh, please touch me, is this true? You cheated me, and then he also told, oh, maybe you can cheat Guru, but you can never cheat Krishna. So I'm thinking, how does Guru, I know he knows everything, but at the same time he does not know, maybe there's this Bhagavan.
Guru is called Ashraya Bhagavan. Krishna is called Visaya Bhagavan. Guru knows everything. Guru acting always role as like a sadhaka. Guru is acting the role of sadhaka. This is important. Jad jadatari sishta tat tat ivetrajana sajat pramanam kurte lokastat anuvartate. If Guru not chanting Hulena and bhajan sadhana, his disciple not do bhajan sadhana. Guru actually is not sadhaka. He is siddha. But he is acting the role of sadhaka. Why? Because he is showing his life, his followers. I am chanting Hulena, you have to chant Hulena. Who is Guru? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In this way, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan, but he is acting role as like a sadhaka. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Bhagavan or not? He is Krishna. But he is chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. He is chanting his own name. Why? Apuni achari jivere sikhan, apuni na koila dharma sikhanan na jai. If you not follow the rules, then your followers will not follow the rules. For this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. He acting the role of Guru. Guru means his one. What is the meaning of Guru? Many times ago. What is the meaning of Guru? Guru, it is called the embodiment of the servicing divine love of Radha and Krishna. Radha Krishna Seva Murta Vigraha, that is called Guru. Guru not physical, what is called gross body. Guru means these words, when you deeply analyze about Guru, Guru means Radha Krishna Seva Murta Vigraha. Understand? That is called Guru. Guru is called the embodiment of servitual mode of divine Radha and Krishna. That is called Guru Tattva. Guru is not this, they are only the figure or this way. Guru, this is Seva Murta Vigraha. He is showing his life how to serve his Istadeva. And Krishna is Bhagavan. And same Krishna is thinking, I am Bhagavan. But how will I serve to myself? For this Krishna, he manifests in the form of second body, that is called Baladev Prabhu. So Baladev Prabhu is called Akhanda Guru Datta. Same Krishna now manifest in the form of Baladev Prabhu. So Tattva Vichar, who is Baladev Prabhu? Krishna, not even Krishna. And Krishna now manifests in the form of Baladev Prabhu. And he is servicing to Krishna. So who is servicing to Krishna? Krishna, he serves to Krishna. If Krishna is not even Baladev Prabhu, Baladev Prabhu not even from Krishna. So Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna. That means Krishna, he serves Krishna. Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna in 10 ways. Dasavidha Seva. Asana, Vasana, Bhushan, Paduka, and even Krishna's sacred thread, everything is there. Baladev Prabhu. And who is Baladev Prabhu? Again, Tattva Vichar Krishna. Why? Because showing to us how to serve to Krishna. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Mad Bhakto, Mad Jaji, Mang Namasko. You become my devotee. Mad Bhakto, Mad Jaji, you worship to me. Mang Namaskuru. You pay your obeisances to me. Instruction. But instruction Krishna is giving. But if you not to showing to the followers, they cannot do. Understand these things. Apani achari dharma. So same Krishna, then Krishna is thinking, oh, I gave all instruction in Bhagavad Gita, but still people, they are not understanding. So for the same Krishna has come in this Krishna from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he is practicing how to chant Hare, how to worship to Krishna. Mahaprabhu did these things also. Mahaprabhu himself worshipped Vigraha Shiva, doing arati this way. Guru, this is also this way. Guru means this tattva. Guru means this seva murta vigraha. Krishna, Radha Krishna seva murta vigraha. Seva vigraha. He is expert all kinds of service. Tan mandira marjanadisu. Guru, he gives instruction and also practicing, showing how to cleaning the temple. Tan mandira marjanadisu. Just today you clean the courtyards of the temple. But disciples, they don't know how to clean. Understand these things. How to clean. So Guru is practicing and showing. This is the, what is it called? Sansara Davan, Sibigrahara Dhananittana Sringaratan Mundira Marjanadisu. Sibigra Aradhana. He himself also Aradhana, worships Thakurji. And showing you should do. Guru chants holy names and showing his disciples. And in this way chant holy names. Susivigrahara Dhananittan Sringaratan Mandira Mandir. Sringar means he decorated Thakurji very nicely. Understand? When I came, there is not altar. I made this altar. But they don't know how to make altar. So we have to learn. So Guru means this word, he himself. That is Singaratan Mandira Marjanadisu. Mahaprabhu himself also, what is called? Brooming the temple of Lord Jagannath. That is called Gundicha Marjan Leela. Mahaprabhu is son Bhagavan. He is Krishna. He is not even from Jagannath. Understand? Moving Jagannath and non-moving Jagannath. Non-moving Jagannath, Daru Vigraha Parabrahma Bhagavan. Moving Jagannath, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He goes and he is showing to you how to clean the temple of Gundicha Mandir. These are the things. I remember when I came in England with Gurudev, then Gurudev, after Mangalarti, Gurudev, Bancha Gurudev Kripa Sindhu Pitanam. Then all devotees also standing in Bancha Gurudev. Hey, no! I am old man, I am hard. I am not going down if I do maybe some pain. So you have to. Then Gurudev do, then everybody do this. I remember that. And after Mangalarti, Gurudev Bancha, Gurudev standing, then all also standing. Are no! All bend your head on the ground. Because they are thinking, oh, Gurudev doing Bancha, also we do this way. Actually, why Gurudev? Sometimes they don't know how to do pranam. These are the things. So Guru, in this way, he is showing how to pranam. Understand this? These are things. So Tan Mandira Marjanadisu, Sringar, how to decorate Thakurji, worship Thakurji. He is expert all kinds of service of Radha and Krishna. Understand? If you go in Golok Vrindavan, You have to expert all kinds of art, silpa. What kind? How many art is there? 64 types of silpa art is there also. Many kinds of art, but there are the Jiva Goswami Pad. Brahma Samhita also explain the 64. And Randhan Silpa. Randhan Silpa means how to properly to cook. That is called Randhan Silpa. And Silpa means art. And how to play the different instruments. And that is called Badda Jandrasya. And the Sanskrit word Torjik. Nitta Gita Baddam. That is called Torjik. Understand? There. Nitta. How to dance. Mahaprabhu danced very nicely in front of Lord Jagannath. Or Mahaprabhu danced in South India in the temple of what is it called? No. Where the Prabhupada Srirangam. Then everybody charmed when Mahaprabhu just danced. Even the Prabhupada, even the Sri Sampradayas. Sri Sampradaya, they are very strict. But when Lord Chaitanya was dancing, they also attracted with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then they called to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, now Chaturmasya, so you can stay in our house. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu staying in their house, Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, Trimalla Bhatta, Venkat Bhatta, Gopal Bhatta, Goswami. So dancing, how to dance? Gita. Gita means sing. Mahaprabhu when he sang, and everybody chant. Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Radhe Krishna Govinda Gopala Nanda Dulalo Jasoda Dulalo Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Radhe Krishna Govinda Gopala Nanda Dulalo Jasoda Dulalo Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Mahaprabhu singing this. Mahaprabhu singing, dancing. Nitya, Gita and Badda. Mahaprabhu also played Mridanga, everything. Mahaprabhu told this Mridanga is my body. When, what is his name, Chandkaji, he broke the Mridanga. Then Mahaprabhu appeared in night time in the dream of Chandkaji. Chandkaji himself told. The lion came and he chopped me. Oh, do you know? This Mridanga is my body. You broke my body. I have to kill you. Then the lion also jumped upon my chest and he paused. Then I prayed again, I will not do this. I'm crying. Then Chandkaji told to Lord Chaitanya, look, still there's some spot mark on my chest. The lion he jumped on my chest with his paws. There Mahaprabhu actually, who is that? Mahaprabhu himself. And Mahaprabhu told, yes, this Mridanga is my body. Mridanga is not me. Mridanga is not only this or the clay for this. Mridanga is very powerful. Mahaprabhu so much love and affection with Mridanga. Chaitanya Chaitamrita Chaitanya Bhagavad explained this. So try to understand this. So how is it? Because Torjik means one who is very expert in 3 types of arts. Nitya, Gita and Badda. Badda means play the instruments. Mahaprabhu sang Krishna. So Jiva Goswami Pad in Brahma Samhita also explained. And in transcendental world, all gopis, they are expert all kinds of art. Understand? This art is. Many kinds, 64 types of art. And understand? Like the Sangeet Kala. Sangeet Kala, understand? The art of song. Sangeet. There. So, our Rupa Goswami Pad expert all these things. When Rupa Goswami Pad, when he just wrote or uttered the slokas of his Grantha or Bhagavad, then Viraha slokas, then all the trees, leaves automatically are falling down. And when Rupa Goswami Pad, he recited the Bharata Srimad Bhagavatam, any meeting slokas or writing any slokas, then the trees completely what? Blossom with the flowers and leaves. So art, you have to practice how to nicely cook, how to nicely sing, how to nicely play. We cannot become Rupa Goswami, we cannot do this. But something is better than nothing. Why not? Understand? I cannot play, he is playing. Understand? Tulsi Das or this Das, what is his name? Kripa Das. Or this Das, Gaur Das, Sam Das, Ram Das. Many Das here. I cannot play, I cannot sing. But something is better than nothing. Why not? All were qualified. I am trying. So trying. So do bhajan and sadhana. Learn all these things. Understand? And how to sing our Thakurji. Look, they are Thakurji, very nice singer. Who did this?
I'd say I'm Vrindavan.
No, who decorated? Nice, good. Sringar. Sringar means decorating the cloth with the Thakurji. Very nice. Thakurji Sringar. And if you go Vrindavan, the temple of, what is his name? Samasundar temple. Every day. Very nice, beautiful singer. In the Vrindavan, many temples are there. But Radha Samasundar temple, that pujari.
Kartik month is doing every day Lila.
If you go to Vrindavan, that temple should be go and take how the singer of the Thakur Singleton, how they decorate Thakurji with very nice, beautiful clothes and these are or if you go Navadvip, there's a very nice, beautiful prasad is there. Many times, or what is called, Thakurji Vinod Vihari ji, Thakurji, Radha Vinod Vihari, Devananda Vinod. Many times he told Gurudev Vaman Goswami, if any day not good prasad, then chastisement. Oh, your pujari today not giving this prasad. That Thakurji always saying. If you go Navadvip Dham, that prasad is very perfect. Perfect means all the, what is called, masala, or everything perfect. Not too much and not less. Others they are cooking, some too much salt or less salt, no salt, maybe too, but Devananda Guru not this. And perfect way. Otherwise, if you are not perfect, then Thakurji will chastisement. I know, I have explained, I was telling him there. My Gurudev did many times. If anything, you think, oh, today Pujari not did this. Understand this? At that time, that time also our the Keshavji Gurimat. The Pujari singer is very beautiful. Now change everything, Pujari change, the time is very powerful. At the time of Gurudev, Nana Goswami was staying in Keshav Ji. That time one Pujari, his name was Bimal Krishna, just he left body. And 2 years before he was staying in Radhakund. Have you seen? Yeah, very skinny. And he was staying in Keshavji Gaudiya. He was very nice singer. Every day he also decorated Thakurji different clothes. Very nice. So Keshavji Gaudiya was very famous that time in singer. Or Devananda Gaudiya was singer for Mahaprasad. Now time is over. And Sarvam Kalam Kritak Manne Kal. Good Preman. Nowadays, very nice in our Delhi Math, our Hare Krishna Prabhu, very nice, nice singer. He also, Thakurji's decoration, very nice. If you go Delhi Math, other Gaudiya Math, Thakurji you can compare, take the photo and then completely work. And perfect. Sometimes glorify, this is true. But is it true? We have to true. That is very nice, beautiful decoration of the Thakurji. Vigraha, Shingar. Yeah.
Maharaj, in Devananda Gaudiya Math, your uncle is managing everything for a long time. He was managing everything. Madhusudana Maharaj, he was managing everything. Prasad, everything. Shingar, he's the whole math for many years.
Yeah. When he was only 10 years old, then he came. He was staying there. Yeah.
Was someone too? He just went.
Who?
Some Vaishnava went and dropped all the...
No. They lived. He was staying in my house. That time I was not born. My mother told. His mother left body. Then he was staying in my house. My mother nourishment as like our son. And he was staying. So after 3-4 years, that time when I think his mother left body maybe 5 or 6 years. Then he came, he was staying with my mother in my house. That time his spontaneous is what is called, Rinam se Vairagya. Then he came in Navadvip Dham. He came with Sesai Prabhu and he, both. They both came and Devananda went and meet with Param Guru Maharaj. Then Param that was very small, maybe small, 8 or 9 years old. Then Param Guru Maharaj also admitted in Navadvip school, just in front of our temple. Navadvip Shiksha Mandir, there, big school. He also, then he every day going to school and then he, what is it, 10 class he would go. Then after 10 class, government certificate 10 class, then Param Guru Maharaj told no need to read. Then he also, that time, when he was small boy, he also the Bhandari, like Pramananda Prabhupada. Management, everything in Bhandari. Bhandari, you understand? Cooking department and everything. He told. Even he was 7 or 8 years, that from that day, Param Guru Maharaj engaged to him. And he also Bhandari and also going to school and reading, everything. Then he also learned Sanskrit, Pesar. Param Guru Maharaj arranged for him also Sanskrit. He learned Sanskrit. Sanskrit Adya Madhya Kabbya 3. Section as like part 1, part 2, part 3. And degree course, graduation degree course. In the same way, Sanskrit also this is Adya Madhya Kabbya. And he also learned this Sanskrit. He's very Sanskrit teacher and professor actually. But very humble. You can see he never resorts glorified. Very humble. He sings very nicely, but he never sings. His Harikatha is very perfect.
But he's not speaking so much.
No.
I mean,
Before he spoke, not very
because
nice.
I remember before when Shri was there and Shri the room where Madhusudana Maharaj was to do. I didn't know, but everyone going there, giving pranam. I don't know what pranam, who is this pranam is for, but I'm giving pranam. And then after some time,
You came with me?
maybe the first time I went, 2002 I went, and then I saw everyone after Mangalati, they didn't put included. And then after this room, they go into another room, following. I don't know. They give pranam, but it's Madhusudana Maharaj room.
His name was Krishna Kripa.
Yeah.
His household name is Kanaila. Kanaya. He is very humble. His Harikatha is very and he many Tattva Siddhanta. When he used to speak Harikatha, mostly he speaks Tattva Siddhanta. Very fast. And Gurudev always give respect to him. And that time Param Guru Maharaj, he also gave last instruction to him. If my all disciples leave the Devananda Gaudiya Math, but until your death, you should not leave Devananda Gaudiya Math. Understand? So, actually, when the many things have happened, then Lord Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj leave Devananda Gaudiya Math. Narayana Goswami Maharaj also told to you will come with me. Well, my Gurudev gave me bhav. So until my death, I have to live. So far he has changed. But he has so much love and affection to Narayana Goswami Maharaj. He gives respect to him. He is very humble, you can say. He gives respect to all. If anybody will go, then they very give respect to everybody. And if any disciple go, he feed him. As like Pramananda Prabhu. And his loves and affection to everyone. And he is not discriminated who is the you know. And
long time, he took sannyas after a long time. He took sannyas after a long time.
No, he took sannyas with me, same, 2000. He took sannyas with us. But he is very humble. Many times, Param Guru told to take sannyas, or Bhaman Goswami Maharaj told Narayana Goswami many times, no. Because he has many duty and responsibilities of the temple. Because if you take sannyas, you have to preach, go here and there. Now he is also preaching, but not so much going. Now he is older, about 80 years old, about. I think 78 or 79 now. So he is very humble. Very humble. Tanada Vishnu. Sometimes you have seen, sometimes also coming, Brajamandal Parikrama staying with us. He's staying in my same room, in Keshavji Gaudiya Maharaj. In my room he is staying. Here he's staying up, I am down with it. Very difficult, 2 persons, only 1 person. But he also sleeping on my bed, I am living down. He love and affection. Oh, I am staying in when I first came, also I will serve his lotus feet always. He is expert to all kinds of service. He cooks very nice, sweet. All the nectar.
Yeah, because you reminded, because you were saying that they were not really Bihari, then they're taking first class prasad. So I'm thinking maybe he's managing everything.
Yes. Actually, he also taught me how to cook everything.
When you came to Devananda,
If anybody not going to cook, then he cooks and he told, hey, you come. He was still at that time has not received initiation. Just took Harinam. At Devananda Gaudiya Math, there is a rule that if you not receive Diksha Mantra, you are not allowed to enter in the kitchen room. You will not enter. Even still also they are rule. But that time I also not Diksha after 6 months. But I took Harinam, they said, Arika. I cooked. At that time, Devananda Gaudiya many, about 200, 300 people. Not only 5, 10 people. You have to cook and every day and 200, 300 devotees. And sometimes sometimes also are that 2 times, 3 times cooked. And midday, when you cooked for 200, but people are coming because that is the center. Many guests coming or many people, and they is very close to the railway station. So people, if Vaishnava will come, you have to feed. Param Guru Maharaj gave instruction, if any Vaishnava will come, even if dog will come, you have to feed. And so Devananda Gaudiya Maharaj, this is the rules. And understand, if any will come, and that time no any charge. Param Guru Maharaj told, don't take money from anybody. If they give donation, this is enough. Never, no problem. If they go how to manage, don't worry. Krishna will give. Param Guru Maharaj told, Krishna sent and 36 paisa for me, so why not? Even not only rice and dal, feed. If any Vaishnava will come. And if you have no money to buy the sabji or this thing, no problem. Just rice and dal. So for this, sometimes my Gurudev also use this word. How to stay in temple. Vaishnavir girl or Jalodal. Jalodal means is what? The dal is completely what? No dal. Only water.
I heard they used to say Krishna Kripa something.
Krishna Kripa. Even Purushottam Maharaj, that time Purushottam Maharaj Gali means he used very harsh word. And that Babaji Maharaj, if any faults, then he will be use many harsh words to pay nonsense. Right? He is Vaishnava. He will give Krishna Kripa Jalodal. If he cooked for 100 people, that means 200 people. So what to do? Then put the water, hot water, put in the dal. No dal. So use this water. Vaishnava girls or Krishna Kripa Jalodal. They need to stay temple. Yeah.
No, I'm very rare to find Vaishnava like this. We're very lucky. We're very lucky to have these darshans to this Vaishnava.
Yeah, very rare to take darshan this way. Madhusudana Maharaj, very humble. Now his 2 hands also.
I noticed, yes.
Because this is our coming in for our inheritance. My hands also something. This is coming from inheritance. Yeah. And you can see, if I will sometimes also my hand, maybe I will become more older, then inheritance.
He must be very proud of you.
Huh?
He must be very proud of you because you're doing so much preaching everywhere in the world. He's saying something.
Who?
Madhusudana Maharaj must be very proud of you because you're going everywhere in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone meet with you. Who met? You met. When? You came with me.
With you and when I was in Navdeep, you were not there yet. You were preaching in the place of Tamal Krishna Brahmajan. I arrived before, and then I went to Devananda Gaudiya Maharaj.
3-4 years before.
Yeah. And then I met him at the roof, and Rosari introduced me to him. His present blessings.
When I will go Navadip every year, I am meeting with him. He's so kind.
Last Darshan Shravana was around, he took us.
Huh?
In 2004, last Darshan Shravana.
Oh, yeah. That we are going to Sarvapuri. We are coming from Jagannath Puri to my. I arranged 3 buses. Yeah. I remember. And do Parikrama, Navadip Parikrama. We are staying in our new land. You can remember, I cooked also sweet rice and also banana flour. Everybody remember.
Very nice.
That one 150 devotees with me, traveling. Parikrama, Navadi Dham Parikrama we did. After Purushottam Mas, then by train to come by bus, hire bus to go to Sarapuli, meet with Gurudev, Bhamana Goswami Maharaj there. Then he came in. No, when you going, then Panihati. Then coming in here, then after Parikrama, 3-4 days, 5 days, then going to Panihati to Calcutta, catch the bus, a train, return back to
You know, this time when we went to see, he took us to see Maharaj, this Paduka we had in London, Shilabama Goswami Paduka, they gave him this time, he said.
Who?
In London we have Shilabama Paduka
Oh.
and Shilabama Goswami Maharaj.
Oh.
And this time he said what is giving this Paduka.
Ah.
When he took us.
Oh, okay. That Gurudev Bhamana Goswami Maharaj Paduka.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
he was taken in London.
Yeah.
Ah,
This time he gave.
very long time.
Long time, yeah.
That is 2004, no? 4 or 5 something. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
How many days you doing Vrindavan Parikrama?
Pardon?
Now after Gopalini, how many days you doing around Vrindavan?
Actual, I am returned back to Jagannath Puri the 8th. 8 to 7 days I will be in, in Vrindavan, Mathura, maybe Bhagavad Katha or do Parikrama. Evening, where is it called? Evening Bhagavad Katha or morning, then we do Parikrama. Sometimes Govardhan, sometimes go to Barsana, Nandagaon, Vrindavan, different. Adivadri, Kedar, Nath, these things. And I want to also go Kurukshetra, many years I didn't go, Suryagrahan, twice. Never Kurukshetra there. Yeah, very nice. Kurukshetra actual visit, very separation place. Bhakti Raka Siddhar Goswami Maharaj told us. Topmost separation place, Kurukshetra Milan. Where the Gopi they met with Krishna. And one day I told this katha. Understand? That katha not finished, I think so. Yeah. Okay. Now 9 o'clock. So you prepare for the midday, what is called? Cooking something. Then after Harikatha, then we take prasad, Ekadashi prasad. But try to fast until 12. My Gurudev always say, if you're not full fast, if your health is not good, then at least until midday. First, then after midday you can take some falahar, fruits. So I think you can cook now. Then Harikatha, then Arati 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock Arati. Then again, if it's good weather, then I want to go to Nam Kirtan, because we are men, and all we are qualified playing mridanga, kartal, instrument. It's very nice. Then everybody will be happy. Good, okay. Chant holy names. Cooking.
From where? On what experience?
Huh?
Where you took some from?
Non-Goswami.
From